Imagine a phone under $400 that isn't just fast, it outperforms many flagship devices in real life. Today, we're diving deep into a device that's rewriting what budget phones can do. Welcome to the Infinix Note 60 Ultra. If you're a tech lover, you'll want to stick around for every second of this video. When you first hold the Infinix Note 60 Ultra, it doesn't feel like a cheap phone. It feels like someone scaled down a luxury flagship. Inspired by Italian design house Pininfarina, this phone catches eyes with its sleek glass and metal body that feels premium in every touch. Look at the screen, a massive 6.78-inch AMOLED with a 144Hz refresh rate. What that means for you is buttery smooth scrolling, ultra-crisp video playback, and brightness bright enough to stay visible even under harsh daylight. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra chip. That's serious muscle for gaming, editing photos, and multitasking. In real life, you won't find lag in your day-to-day. Now, the camera, this is where it gets jaw-dropping. A 200 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel periscope zoom, ultra-wide lens, and 4K video. This is a setup that challenges phones costing twice as much. We took this phone to real-life situations, low-light streets, landscapes, and close-ups, and trust me, these shots are surprisingly good for this price bracket. Here's the game changer, 7,000 mAh battery. That's days of power, not hours. And when you do need juice, 100 watts wired and even 50 watts wireless charging. You're not just unplugged longer, you recharge crazy fast. Almost unheard in this price range, satellite calling and messaging. You can send texts and make calls without cell signal in supported areas. That's emergency peace of mind at a price that doesn't break the bank. Running Android 16 with XOS 16, the Note 60 Ultra feels intuitive and snappy. It gives you customization without overwhelming clutter, plus features like an under-display fingerprint sensor and even health sensors for heart rate. Let's break it down. Pros: phenomenal battery life, standout cameras, satellite features, and premium design. Cons: software tweaks could be smoother, and camera tuning might lag behind flagship brands. But for the price, this is insane value. So, is the Infinix Note 60 Ultra worth it? Absolutely, if you want premium tier features without the premium tier price. This phone doesn't just compete with budget devices, it competes with flagships. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comments what features surprised you most. See you in the next one.